Hi guys, finally the official notification is out for CET. So congratulations, I'll just show you the notification. Earlier the news which have come was from the Uday Samant as on his Twitter account. Now we got the official notification as well. So with this we're launching our program as well. So in case you want to join us for the marathons, yeah, only the marathon workshop which is for the next 50 days. First 1 week starting from this Monday, June 18th. First 1 week will complete the full syllabus and then go deep down into the next 50 days ka target, so that we can target with 80 marks first, 100, 120, 140. So in case you want to join this program, you can just call the numbers given here somewhere. Yeah, just call the numbers given here and you can join our program. As promised, I have uploaded my dance ka video. Student told me that I promise कि मैं dance करूंगा, तो finally मैंने dance का video डाल दिया. You can check it on my Instagram, Rav Singh CK, and you click on my photo, you can go to the story. So officially there is no registration started. So I've tried all the links here. We have only got this schedule. Okay, सूचना. Okay, in Marathi and English both. Okay, my only problem is I'll talk about that later on. So as per this notice, CET dated today, so 22nd June, that MBA CET, MAH MBA CET 2021. Admission for the professional courses for the PGDM for the postgraduate in MBA MS programs for 21-22 will be held at various centers within and outside Maharashtra. Confirming the dates. So these are the dates we have: 22nd June today till 17th of July. Okay, the form will be available. So they're giving us almost 25 30 days to fill the form. Okay, now my question to them is why so much. अगर आज ये नोटिस आने वाला था, आज अगर फॉर्म चालू हो रहा है, तो दे माइट बी अवेयर ऑफ दिस लॉन्ग टाइम अगो. तो हमें बताने में इतना देर क्यों लगा दिया यार? तुम पहले क्या कह देते यार ये चीज. दे शुड हैव इन्फॉर्म्ड अस अर्लियर ओनली. बट एनीवे, कुछ कर नहीं सकते. गवर्नमेंट वाले हैं भाई, कुछ बोल नहीं सकते. हम लोग कुछ बोल नहीं सकते. So when you check this link, so this is a new registration link. Okay, superb. So you can start the registration as well. Now registration is on their website. Earlier the registration was on the DT website, on IBPS site. इस बार MMS का registration is on DT का site. So this means there's a possibility that this time CET might not be conducted by IBPS. We have to wait and watch for that कि कौन conduct कर रहा है एग्जाम. ठीक है. अगर आईपीएस नहीं कनेक्ट करेगा तो पैटर्न पूरा चेंज होगा. वो आगे जाके पता लग जाएगा कि कौन फॉर्म कनेक्ट कर रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है. विल कम टू नो अबाउट द डिटेल्स लेटर ऑन. एज ऑफ नाउ दिस इज ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन व्हिच हैव कम. अगेन वी डोंट नो द डेट्स. मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड सिचुएशन दे आर नॉट टेलिंग अस द डेट. बट आई एम एज्यूमिंग August 15 as the ideal time for the exam. 17 को फॉर्म खत्म होगा. Then within 1 week to 10 days they will arrange the centers within Maharashtra and outside Maharashtra. और एक हफ्ते में एडमिट कार्ड आएगा, एक हफ्ते में एग्जाम होगा आपका. सो आई अज्यूम August 15, August 7 के आजू बाजू का डेट रहेगा. दैट विल बी द टेंटेटिव डेट. ठीक है, एक बार कर ही लेते हैं डेट का. आई एम गोइंग इन टू अगस्त का कैलेंडर. August 15 is Sunday. Superb. August 14 15 is a tentative date. बट उस साल शायद 15 अगस्त है, तो मे बी एक हफ्ता ऊपर नीचे कर दें. बट आई एम अज्यूमिंग August 14 15 एज योर डेट फॉर द एग्जाम. ओके, प्लस माइनस 1 week. मे बी 15 अगस्त को एग्जाम ना हो, तो इन दैट केस दे माइट कनेक्ट द एग्जाम 7th and 8th August. So let's finalize the date. 50 days we have from today for the exam. ठीक है. Now come the main question, how to start my preparation. So cetking.com/weekly. आप बस weekly timetable follow करते जाओ. Everything will be taken care of. I'll take care of everything with you. And this is the complete syllabus, complete 50 days ka plan, which we are going to cover in the next 50 days. All the important topics we are going to cover. So in case you want to join, you can just call the numbers given here. या नंबर नहीं मिलते यार कभी मेरी साइड पे. उड़ गए सारे नंबर. कहाँ गए? ये सारे नंबर. Call us any of the numbers. All right. And tomorrow I am going to Thane. Then I'm going to evening, I'm in Pune. Then I'm in Goa, and Sunday I'm in Nagpur. I'll be covering the other center as well next week. So in case you want to join us, you can join us for the online program, and then you can come and meet me in the classroom as well. All right. So all the best. And thank God, date aa gaya CET ka. All the best.